joy and privilege to introduce our wonderful speakers for tonight. Our first speaker is a grade 4 pupil who is 10 years old and a resident of Poblacion Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte. He is the second child of Mr. Orlando and Mrs. Sherry Grace Incaliado. May we kindly ask his parents to please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Even at a young age, he has discovered that knowing Jesus brings happiness, courage, and a heart ready to share God's love. Tonight, he stands before us with confidence and faith, ready to share God's message with all of us. Let us warmly welcome our first speaker, Gino Lanre Incaliado. Our second speaker is also a cheerful grade 4 pupil who is 10 years old and a resident of Sapak, Lala, Lanao del Norte. She is the only child of Mr. and Mrs. Jerwin de la Pina. May we kindly ask her parents to please stand and be recognized. Thank you. Growing up in a church, she has learned that following Jesus is a joyful blessing and a meaningful calling. With a thankful heart and a bright smile, she is excited to stand before us today and share the Word of God. Brothers and sisters, let us give a big hand to our second speaker, Sabeth Liana Gail de la Pina. Our third speaker comes to us with a joyful heart, a bright smile, and a strong faith. She is 10 years old and proudly lives in Poblacion Kapatagan, Lanao del Norte. She is the first child of Mr. Jelray and Mrs. Sahara Jane Banga. May we kindly ask her parents to please stand and be recognized. Thank you. She is excited and ready to remind us that no one is too young to speak for Jesus and share His amazing love. Friends, classmates, and our wonderful church family, let us give a big joyful welcome to our third speaker, Martinette Georgette Banga.